What if your next business idea could change your entire future? In America today, small businesses are creating millionaires faster than ever. And the best part? Many successful businesses start from a laptop, a phone, or a simple skill. Today, I'll show you powerful USA business ideas that are trending right now, profitable and beginner-friendly. Watch till the end, because one idea here could become your future income source. AI content agency. Businesses need content every day. Instagram posts, YouTube scripts, ads, emails, and blogs. Most companies don't know how to use AI tools properly. That's where you win. You can start an AI content agency using tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Clients pay monthly for fast content creation, low investment, high demand, huge future potential. Print-on-demand store. You don't need inventory anymore. Sell hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and t-shirts online without storing products. Websites print and ship automatically. You only focus on designs and marketing, funny quotes, pet lovers, gym motivation, or patriotic USA themes. Sell very well. This business can run even while sleeping. Mobile car wash, simple business. Strong income potential. People love clean cars but hate waiting in lines. A mobile car wash service comes directly to customers' homes. Low startup cost. Fast local growth. One loyal customer can bring referrals for years. YouTube automation channel. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in America. Finance, motivation, celebrity news, tech reviews, and storytelling channels make serious money. You don't need expensive cameras, just good scripts, voiceovers, editing, and consistency. Ad revenue plus sponsorships can become full-time income. Digital products business. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, templates, online planners, fitness guides, resume designs, or business checklists are huge online markets. No shipping, no warehouse, pure digital profit. This is one of the smartest modern online businesses. Home cleaning service. Busy American families need help daily. A professional cleaning service can grow very fast. With trust and good reviews, start small. Use social media marketing. Reliable service always wins customers. Many cleaning companies grow into six-figure businesses. Affiliate marketing. You promote products online and earn commissions. For every sale, no product creation needed. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and blogs can drive massive traffic. The key is trust. Helpful content creates long-term income. Local food truck. Food businesses never die. Unique burgers, tacos, BBQ, coffee, or desserts can attract huge crowds. Food trucks cost less than opening a restaurant. Good location plus viral social media videos can explode your sales. Freelance video editing. Content creators are everywhere now, but many creators don't know editing. If you learn video editing, clients can come from around the world. Short-form videos are dominating the internet. Editors are earning thousands monthly from remote work. Online coaching business. If you know something valuable, you can teach it online. Fitness, business, English speaking, mindset, marketing, or productivity coaching are growing industries. People pay for transformation. Knowledge today is one of the biggest businesses. The truth is simple. America rewards action. Most people wait forever. Successful people start early. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Choose one business idea. Learn daily. Improve weekly. Stay patient. Your future income can begin from one decision. So tell me in the comments, which business idea inspired you most? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful business content.